4 minus 4 which equals to 0, then times 6 over 2. 0 times 6 which equal to 0 over 2, okay? Then 0 over 2 which equal to 0, because 0 divided by any number is 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Work from left to right, okay? We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one subtraction and one multiplication, okay, in the numerator part. Therefore, first we have to do multiply these numbers and finally subtract. For according to PEMDAS, first we have to do multiply this number. Therefore, 4 times 6 which equals to 24, okay? Then 4 minus 24 over 2. Then 4 minus 24 means which equals to negative 20, okay? Negative 20 over 2. Negative 20 over 2 is equals to what? Negative 10. This is the final answer of this problem, okay? Therefore, the final answer or the correct answer of this equation is negative 10.